Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Redux Toolkit. So today we are going to learn about how to build a counter, increment or decrement with the help of the React Redux Toolkit. So basic mini project you can say about we are going to build in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the folder structure. So we are going to follow that one to create a counter application. Okay. So let's see how we're going to do that. So first of all, we have to create a React App Redux Toolkit application. So I have already built that. So here you can see that. Okay. So this is Redux Toolkit. Okay. So what we have to do is go in the terminal. Okay. So just create the project first, then go to that project, then install this app, this pack npm packages. Okay, then first one is store.js. So here you can see that according to the folder structure, we have a store, then store.js. Okay, you can see that the store.js file. Okay, so what we have done over here, import the config. I have already explained what the store.js consists of, right? So here we have import the config store from the Redux toolkit, import the counter reducer from the counter slice, okay, and then create and configure the Redux store. So here we are configuring the Redux store. So here define the state slice and the associated with the counter reducer. Okay, so here we have counter and then so counter reducer. Okay, export the configured stored as a default export. Okay, so we have export that one. Okay, so this is the first file. Next we have the features. We have a counter feature and then we have a counter slice. If I go to the features, then we have a counter and counter js and counter slice. Counter slice is basically, you can see here we have importing the Redux toolkit, then define a counter slice using the create slice. So here we have to define the counter slice. Okay, so here if we go to the store, okay, so here we have a counter reducer. Okay, so here we are creating the counter slice with the help of the create slice. Specify the name of the slice. So name of the slice is counter. Initial state, first you need to set the initial state of the counter. By default it's 0. If you have any state, then you can do with that. Define the reducer functions for the actions. So here we have a reducers with the actions increment and the decrement. Okay, then export the increment and the decrement actions with the help of the counter slice dot actions, and export the reducer function with the help of for the counter slice with the counter slice reducer. Okay, after that we are using here in the store.js counter reducer. Okay, got it. Then we have a counter js, the rendering part. Okay, so here import the React and the necessary Redux related functions and the actions. So here we are importing that one. So here we are using the React Redux, that is use selector and the use dispatch. Increment, decrement, that we have the counter slice. These are the actions. First we define the counter component. So function counter. So use the use selector hook to select the counter slice state. Let me word wrap this. Use selector hook to select the counter slice of the state from the Redux store. So use selector state counter. Then use the dispatch hook to get the reference to the dispatch function. So here we are using the dispatch, use dispatch. Okay, so this is the count. Okay, what increment decrement, when we do that it's increment part. Okay, so when you click on the button dispatch increment, then dispatch decrement, so we are dispatching the actions increment and the decrement. Okay, so you don't know how to use the dispatch part in the React, then please go to and check out my video, you will get to know about that one. Okay, so these are the render button to increment the count using the increment action, and this is the decrement, the count using the decrement action. If I go and run this one, localhost 3000. So here we have the Redux Toolkit counter example. So here you can see that in the app.js file. Okay, this is missing it. Here we have the import the React library to work with the React components. Import the provider. So it's important for the React Redux library. Import the Redux store from the store module. So we have import that one. Then we have import the component from the counter module. So here we have a component. This is the main app main component all app. So here we have the main provider wraps the entire application with the Redux provider component. This allows components within the app to access the Redux store. If you want to access the Redux store, so you have to wrap this into the provider. Okay. Then we have a Redux toolkit example. Then we have a counter component. Okay. And then export that one. After doing this, you can see increment and the decrement, increment and the decrement. So this is with the help of the React Redux toolkit. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.